Hello student, Miss Rosita again, and I'm gonna show you another example of solving literal equations with fraction. My given equation here is A equal 1/2 times B times H. Solve for H. Okay? So I copy it down here and I'm gonna circle letter H so that as I go along, I know that H need to be by itself on one side of the equation. What I'm gonna do here is I deal with fraction first, 1/2. I do reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2/1. I'm gonna multiply both sides by 2/1 or 2. So here, I'm gonna multiply this by 2/1. This, I'm gonna multiply by 2/1. Okay? Now, so this is 1/2 again. And the reciprocal is you flip, the reciprocal of 1/2 is you flip the fraction. So here, this is the denominator, 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. To do the reciprocal, the numerator now will be the denominator here, so it's just 2/1. Okay? So it's just the reverse. Flip it. Now when I multiply 2/1 times 1/2, I know I can cancel this, I can cancel this. It turns out to be 1. Okay? So, let us keep on working on this side because we already started there. So that will be 1. This whole thing is 1. And I can just write BH because that 1 is an invisible one. You may write it or you may not write it, but we know in our mind that there is 1 there. Now let's work on this side, left side. 2/1 times A. So this will be 2A. Actually, that is 2/1, but I can write it as 2. Okay? Now, I will solve for H. I will do the circle for H. And I will ask my mind, what does H do to B? And the answer is multiply. So let's do the opposite or the inverse of multiply, which is divide. So therefore, I'm gonna divide this by B. What I do to my left, I do to my right. So B divided by B is 1. Okay, that's the answer, right? So 1 times H will be 1H. So again, invisible 1. So just H. And then work on the left side. I have 2A over B. I cannot do nothing. I cannot divide 2A divided by B. So just bring it down like that. And we're done. I hope this helped.